Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's go learning. 1. Happy. I feel really happy today. I was happy yesterday. I feel happy when I spend time with my family. 2. Sad. Sad eyes tell story. She felt sad after watching the movie. 3. Angry. She is angry. She was angry because she lost her phone. 4. Fear. Fear is a natural human emotion. The children shouted in fear as the thunder roared. He was so scared that he couldn't speak for a moment. 5. Excited. Excited. I feel excited about my future. She looks excited about the news. 6. Surprised. Surprised. She felt surprised by the gift. They were surprised by the results. 7. Nervous. Nervous. She seems a bit nervous before the exam. She is so nervous about her exams. 8. Loved. Love. I love my grandma so much. We love fruit. 9. Proud. Proud. He felt proud when his teacher praised him. I felt proud of myself after finishing the project. 10. Calm. Calm. The sea is calm. She feels calm when she listens to music. 11. Lonely. Lonely. She felt lonely sitting alone at lunch. She felt lonely in the new city. 12. Disappointed. Disappointed. She looked disappointed when the toy was broken. I felt disappointed when the plan was cancelled. 13. Tired. Tired. She felt tired after playing outside. She felt tired because she didn't sleep well. 14. Hate. I hate fast food. She hates noisy places. Bored. Bored. He was bored waiting in long lines. He got bored during the class. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.